Today marks 4 years since Hurricane Harvey made landfall in Rockport, Texas as a Category 4 hurricane. The next day, the rain started here, and it did not stop for 4 days. Altogether, the storm killed 68 people and caused at least $125 billion in damage. And today, Houston's mayor gave an update on what the city's done to limit flood damage going forward.
Of course, he's trying to prevent Harvey-like damage from happening again. Adam Bennett is in Southwest Houston tonight. Adam, some of the flooding improvements have already been tested, haven't they?
That's right, Lynn. The county judge credits the widening of Bray's Bayou here with sparing potentially hundreds of homes last fall during Tropical Storm Beta. And the mayor says going forward, they are continuing to build in what he calls the right way.
This is getting ready to come out here in a minute.
Harvey is not the first time some Houston businesses like Three Brothers Bakery have had to deal with flooding.
It's been pretty devastating.
But city leaders hope it's the last.
We're always asked, are we better today than we were on August 28th, 2017? And my answer is hell yeah.
Mayor Pro Tem Dave Martin credits projects like the Lake Houston Dam and dredging nearby. His district in Kingwood became an island during Harvey.
Are we safer today than we were 4 years ago? I think the answer is yes.
During this morning's city council meeting, Mayor Sylvester Turner listed those improvements. 42 infrastructure projects done, 9 more underway, 124 quicker fix drainage projects called SWAT also completed, with another 18 set to be finished by next summer.
That has really helped a lot of people to not flood.
Mayor Turner also said the city has acquired 10 properties for stormwater detention and helped elevate more than 260 homes. And he said firefighters now have more boats, high water rescue vehicles, and a new water rescue team with 80 members.
We are not at that point where anybody is claiming mission accomplished.
The mayor said the city is continuing to work with Harris County on flood control projects paid for by a bond that voters approved after Harvey, and he pledged to keep fighting for state and federal relief dollars. Len?